What? What is this? You're not the imposter Razorblade. Did it not work? I don't understand. Who are you? Oh, come now, Goblin. I'm much more better than that weakling Razorblade. I am Impostor Joker at your service. But I don't understand. I was hoping to get Impostor Razorblade off of Zed the Clown. They carry the same blood, I assumed. Assumed what? That the Impostor Razorblade was just going to appear? Newsflash, Goblin. He isn't the only imposter around here. Besides, that throne goes to the Jester. After all, the Impostor Razorblade was his own creation. But you got his son, Zed, and you did everything the book told you. I'm proud of you for that. Low self-esteem, self-inflicted pain, triggers it. Triggers the imposter. However, not everyone can do this. You need to be chosen by us. Us? Are you saying there's more than one of you imposters out there? Indeed, I'm not the only one. There's Impostor Razorblade, who started it all. Then there's Dragon's Breath, me, and the other one, whose name shall not be called out. However, they lost their memories as soon as the imposters were banished. But now that I'm here, well, let's just say they're gonna get a wake-up call. Ah! What the? Oh no. I know this feeling all too well. What the? Oh no. Oh no, I feel it. What's going on? Somebody triggered the imposters. So, he's back. Look, listen, Goblin. I'm not really one for working as a team. But I could easily just kill you right now. But since you have the wooden hand, I'm not foolish enough to face you now. We both have one thing, one goal, and that's Silver Spine. So, I will help you in defeating them. That is. So what you need to do is separate the assassins, face Silver Spine one by one, and then soon, all you have to worry about is Dr. Sinister, Dr. Phantasma, and the infected. And everything will go according to plan. Very well, Impostor Joker, if you insist. However, I still run this operation. You're right. I shall separate the assassins, and they will face Silver Spine one by one. Then I shall face Sinister and the infected. With this, not even the leg and staff can help him. And once I defeat Silver Spine, I will cut off the head of Dr. Sinister and the infected, mount it on a pike so that all Silver Spine could watch and see how their kings have fallen. I can almost taste it. Now then, Silver Skull, I give you the permission to go and kill Stapler. Yes, sir. It will be my pleasure. It appears the game has started, before it's even begun. I'm not playing games, Silver Skull. Tonight, we end this. I will kill you for the bounty and to avenge Sensei Phantom. This night, you are going to die. I agree. Tonight, we shall end it. You think this is a game, don't you? Yeah, not done yet. Don't bother getting up, because this is the last time you will ever see the light of day ever again. You will die knowing that I killed you. Darn you, Silver Skull. I'll get you for this. Sorry, Stapler, but there won't be a next time for you. Now die. What's going on around here, Stapler? What's one of the assassins doing here?